Alrighty, welcome again. My name is Omar Bumayale and this is my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be talking to you guys about governmental accounting and what does that really mean. What are the objectives of governmental reporting? And the objectives are to demonstrate accountability with each organization for the stewardship of the resources in their care. So basically the government gives all these organizations within the US money, resources to use in their care, and they have to deliver effectively and efficiently these resources with public resources in compliance with the law. That's the main purpose of governmental accounting. The objectives of fund accounting would be to enable services and mission-driven organizations to easily monitor and report compliance and spending purposes, fund restrictions, spending limits, budgets, and other fiscal accountability objectives. Industries that use governmental accounting and reporting principles is, for example, basis of the organizations like hospitals. They could be governmentally funded and accounted for using enterprise funds. And some of the following industries use funding streams that lend themselves to accountability objectives and use these reporting models. For example, governmental units. What are governmental units? They are federal, state, county, municipal, a variety of local government units like townships, villages, special districts. Also, there's entities like hospitals and universities. Also, if we keep on going down, there's healthcare organizations, which are like hospitals, nursing care facilities, home health care agencies, and clinics. All these are governmental units and work under the governmental scheme. So there's a governmental accounting, accepted accounting principles for governmental entities. For the government, we use GASB. For the not-for-profit, we use FASB. And the GASB is GASB, Governmental Accounting Standards Boards. And they are the most authoritative people out there. For conceptual, GASB's for conceptual frameworks is information used by all financial reports would be, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. All information used to assess accountability. Basic financial statements, required supplementary information, comprehensive annual financial reporting, budget and other special purpose reports to grantor agencies, and other information like economic indicators. Alright, there's governmental type and business type activities. They both engage in both the government type and business type, the governments. And the government types are usually supported by the taxes, and the business types are usually supported by the user fees. And the types of users the governmental financial reports have are the citizens, taxpayers, the voters, the recipients of services, the media and research. Other people would be legislative and oversight bodies, including state legislators, county and city commissioners, executives with oversight authority. And last but not least is investors and creditors, bond rating agencies, bond insurers, financial institutions. All right, uses of financial reports. What are the uses of financial reports for governmental accounting would be to make economic, social, and political decisions to assess the accountability, like comparing actual and financial results to a budget. Okay, accountability and inter-period equity. There's concepts of balancing. So accountability is governments provide financial information for the citizens to justify the raising the resources and demonstrate the purposes for which they are used. They are accountable, but they also have the inter-period equity, which means the concept of balancing the budget on an annual basis. And that means balancing budgets, inter-period equity. There's characteristics of information of governmental financial reporting. So there are 6 basic characteristics of governmental financial reports, which is understandability, reliability, relevance, timeliness, consistency, and comparability. And remember the characteristics in financial reporting. You are mice. Understandability, reliability, make a difference, relevance, in timeliness, consistency year over year, and entity. Just remember that you'll be good to go for the CPA examination. There is going to be limits to the governmental financial reporting, which would be they use approximate measures and judgments or estimates, or they do not meet the diverse needs of all users. Also, in financial reporting objectives, fulfill the government's duty to be publicly accountable, demonstrating budgetary and legal contractual compliance. Financial reporting should assist users in evaluating the operating results of the government and with information of sources and uses of financial informations, and also the level of services that can be provided by the government and the ability to meet those obligations, the financial positions and conditions of the governmental entity. There's key concepts in governmental accounting and reporting that you need to know. There's 3 themes that differentiate the commercial and not-for-profit accounting, which are 1. Fund structure, 2. Fund accounting, and 3. External reporting. And funds equals checkbook. Fund structures has 3 items, 11 types that are classified through the fund structure. So governmental funds equals GraSPP, proprietary funds equals SE, and fiduciary funds equals CIPPOE. These are separately presented, and they report additional information, detailed information about the primary government. All right, fund accounting equals checkbooks. It's the affects the basis of accounting and the measurement focus of each category. And last but not least, there's external reporting, which establishes the minimum reporting requirements to be in compliance with GAAP. And it's fund-based and governmental-wide financial statements, which is consolidated, and they have notes and they're required supplementary information. I'm going to ask you guys one question today is, which of the following leads to the use of fund accounting by a governmental organization? Financial control, legal restriction, no or yes? I'll give you a second to think about it. All right, so financial control is used by fund accounting by governmental organization, and legal restrictions are used by fund accounting and legal organizations. Okay, thanks again guys for listening to my video on governmental accounting overview and hearing what I had to say about what the government offers for governmental accounting, and hearing the 6 characteristics of governmental financial reporting, which were the understandability, reliability, relevance, timeliness, consistency, and comparability. And also the main parts that I want you to remember were the fund structure, which have 11 types that are classified 3 generic categories, which are governmental funds, which equals GraSPP, proprietary funds, which equals SE, and fiduciary funds, which equals CIPPOE. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Like, make a comment if you can, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Again, my name is Omar Bumayale, and that is Lou Bumayale here in the background making fun of us. Have a great night, and we'll see you next time. GoPro, stop recording.